Hi friends, today we're going to show you how to make the perfect video in just 3 simple steps.
So the first thing that you need is the right kind of equipment. That means you need a cell phone. Any brand will do, just make sure that the camera is functional. But other than the picture, what's important is the audio. Right now I am wearing a wireless microphone. You don't need one. Something like this, which is a wired headset, is perfect to make a nice video.
The second thing is the right location. Make sure that the room you're filming in is very bright, has enough light so one can see you. Make sure that it's silent without any background noises, and make sure there aren't any background movements.
Tip number 3, the filming. So use your phone in the landscape mode like this. Don't film like this. This is not good. You should always film in the landscape mode. Secondly, it's advised to do close-ups like I'm standing. Don't do the pictures too far away or the filming, so a close-up is always really, really good. Third advice on filming is position yourself not in the center. It's always better to stand either a little bit left-hand side or right-hand side, so in 1/3 of the frame. And last but not least, don't try to do a selfie. Call a friend for help who's helping you in filming. And we would advise practice, practice, practice. It might take several takes, but it's a lot of fun also to taping such films.